Not voting is not a protest. It is a total surrender. Nigerians will miss Buhari if they vote for Tinubu.
Mahmoud Jega should tell us who bought him a house recently in Abuja and why he joined that team. I'm just leaving that with him. However, let me answer your questions. You see, this is a country, unfortunately, that is bedeviled with so much corruption. If Asiwaju were not what he is, with stupendous amount of money to bribe everyone from the courts and everything, he will not be contesting elections. Because from his name to his school to his health, everything about him is based on lies, and nobody wants to prove that. Nobody wants to prove that because everyone is bribed to say what they want to say. However, Nigerians can see. They see him every day. The last clip I saw of him is calling Atiku the governor of Anambra State. For God's sake, what else do we need? We don't need a doctor to tell us that. We don't need a doctor when somebody is blah blah lying. We don't need a doctor to say it. Look, people must understand that ill health, dementia, is a natural process of human beings. It's nature. It's not as if it's his fault, but it's also not our fault. So we don't have to accept somebody that cannot decipher. That is the truth.
The video you just watched now is about the APC presidential candidate. We don't know about his health. We don't know about his education. We don't know his uncle. We don't know his background. We don't know his pedigree. But one thing we know is that he's not mentally fit to rule this country. So please vote wisely. Hi everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ifa, and on today's episode, we're actually going to talk about 5 reasons why you shouldn't consider APC for this 2023 election. The truth of the matter is that we are not supposed to be scared of our government. Our government should rather be scared of us. And I know some religious person, or not even religious persons amongst us, will be skeptical about this Muslim ticket. Today, I'm going to discuss 5 points why APC should not be considered. Number 1 reason why you should not vote for APC is that the party APC is known for stealing, embezzlement. Just recently, the Lagos State government commissioned the rail project that they said cost them $1.5 billion. This is happening at a time when Dubai are actually building a floating city for just $100 million. So who is fooling who here? APC is just known to be a kind of party that steals recklessly, embezzles any money that is meant for the people. They don't care about the common man. They don't even care about what we think. The number 2 reason why we should not vote for APC is that APC is known to have bad record. They have set this kind of bad precedents that human lives no longer means anything. Under the APC government, we have a government where if like 10 people die, they will come out and say, no, it's not 10, it's 8. I mean, like, the value of human life is nothing here. The number 3 is godfatherism. In the APC government, it is not, or should I put it, merit or competence is not that important. What matters is who sent you. Who are you representing? Where are you coming from? So they have institutionalized godfatherism, that it has to be somebody from their caucus. Under the APC, you now hear cabal. The men people get as like a government in a government. So I believe we don't want this to continue. The number 4 reason why APC should not be considered is that APC is a party known to be a party of hardship. In fact, if hardship has no synonym, APC can actually replace it. Do you remember the rigorous process you had to take to do your BVN? How about your NIN? You had to queue for it. Now, how about your PVC? Are you not queuing? Okay, the new Naira note is out. How easy it is? The truth of the matter is that APC is known to make a seamless process rigorous and very difficult. Anything that is straightforward, APC doesn't like it. So I don't think this is the kind of party we want to identify with. Then the number 5, and one of the most important reasons why APC should not be considered, is the Muslim ticket. I know you must be expecting me to talk about that. Nigeria is a secular state, though in paper. Allowing a Muslim ticket to fly in this 2022 election is akin to telling the Christians in Nigeria or others to go to hell, that they don't matter. And I'm going to show you a video why it will bother anyone. It bothers me, and I believe it will bother anyone about this APC Muslim ticket. It shows that APC is not just a party. Rather, it is a demonic party that intends to divide this nation.
Abun mamaki shekaran jiya aka ce dan takarar arnan Najeriya ya zo Kano. To alhamdulillah mu kana da yake muna da karamci mun bashi masauki amma kusa da yan uwansa can stadium din bayan gari. Wannan abin da kuka ga an yi masa karamci ne, in jihar sa kaje kai ba za ka samu wannan ba. To abin da yafi bani takeici shine wai sai ga wasu musulmi an jajjera motoci za su shiga. To amma ne musu uzuri ko raba arne da makami ne? Ba ya ce ibada ne ko? Amma dai wallahi ahir wallahi asara addinin ka za kai. Ka zaɓi arne ko mun lalacewar musulmi, aƙidar musulunci ta ɗari komai. A ƙa'ida idan ga arne ga musulmi, musulmin nan kowane iri ne shi ake zaɓa saboda ya fi kusa da Allah. Amma idan ga musulmi to kuma nan sai a zaɓa a darji da baƙin ƙirin ware baƙi-baƙi, to haka ake yi. Wannan shine sirrin rayuwa. Amma gidadanci ne da ƙauyanci wai ka ce za ka tafi zaɓar arne yemami. Ka karanta tarihin Najeriya, duk lokacin da ka ji Najeriya tana zaune lafiya musulmi ne yake mulki. Amma in dai su suke mulki to sai sun tayar da fitina, sai sun ɗana wata musibar da har bayan mulkin su muna girbarta. Yanzu kuna ganin duk fitintunin da ake arewacin Najeriya kun ɗauka yanzu suka faru? Wallahi tuntuni aka shuka mana su, yanzu girba muke yi. Kuma wallahi a lokutan mulkin su suka shuka mana wannan time bomb ɗin da yanzu yake tashi da mu. Ko mun lalacewar naka wani abun ba za a yi maka ba inda shi, kai ne baka san me ya tare maka ba. Amma lokacin da ka rasa shi baka da shi to za ka gane kuranka. Ko mun lalacewar ƙyauren ƙofa yana ba wa ɓarawo tsoro, tsammani yake ƙofa a rufe. Amma ka buɗe ƙofar ka wangale to ba wanda ya kai ka hauka.
I believe you've watched that video about what that guy was saying about Peter Obi. I mean, you can see that some Muslims are already identifying with the APC because he came with the Muslim ticket, so he's like representing the jihad. But the truth of the matter is that Nigeria is not a Muslim nation. You can't come and tell every Christian in Nigeria to leave because you have a Muslim this thing. Remember, guys, something happened in Afghanistan some time ago, and they will remember that before 1965, Lebanon was a majority Christian nation, but today Lebanon is now a Muslim nation. We have to be very careful. So I encourage every one of you seeing this video to actually vote for Peter Obi. I think he's the best candidate, not because he's Igbo, Hausa, or Yoruba, but because among the three candidates, he's the most competent, he's the most qualified. So thank you guys for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Catch you up next week. Bye.